The Kawasaki Ninja H2 SXSE isn't just a sport tourer. It's a supercharged masterpiece that blends power, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. Speed meets luxury. Power meets precision. From the outside, the H2 SXSE is unmistakable. Sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, full LED lighting, and a bold presence that screams performance. Inside, it's built for long rides without compromise. A 6.5-inch full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and plush ergonomics make every journey effortless. Tour the world or conquer the track. At the heart, a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 supercharged engine delivers jaw-dropping performance. With around 197 horsepower and immense torque, it redefines what a sport tourer can be. Advanced rider aids include cornering ABS, cruise control, traction control, multiple ride modes, and Kawasaki's radar-assisted adaptive cruise system. This bike isn't just about brute force. It's about intelligent control designed to balance thrilling performance with everyday usability.